Moves into the red square.
He gets under and lifts you up. And then
Blue square, are you ready? Red square, are you ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! He is sawing through that bot as we speak.
Turn your weapon on, Andy.
It don't work.
That's gonna be a problem.
Gotta release the hold in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He releases, he backs away.
Well, that's a problem.
Yeah.
Back under. Gotta release in. Oh, he does. He gets away himself.
He just drives off.
Use your weapon!
Kill it. Yeah, use your weapon.
Takes him across the arena.
Oh, we got damage.
Oh no! You need your weapon.
It's broken.
All right.
Down to a minute and 5
Andy actually got
seconds.
some damage.
Look at that.
No
Left hand
control.
slams into the wall. Got to release in 5,
No
4,
pressure.
3, 2, 1. He releases. Skeeter comes out. Buzzes the tower.
Damn, Andy, at least drive good and get some control or something.
There it is.
Ah, that's funny
Lift
as
and
hell.
cut. And he escapes.
Knock that fork off.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. What a matchup this has been. Oh, there's the cutter. Engaged. You got to release it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I think he's bound up on the cutter. There was in between the wheel. There's the cutter engaged again. Got to release in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 1. Match over.
3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right.
Man, I don't know what.
Wipe out for me.
Wipe out for me.
Wipe out for him. Wipe out for him. Unanimous.
Camurai won. Good job, Camurai.
No, you can be. That's absolutely fine.
All right. Let's get down to some action in 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight!
Uh-oh.
Camurai up with a box rush when the Yankel has yet to rev his
do you
weapon
need
bar
an
and
unstick?
looks like he's got himself stuck to the
Do you
wall.
need an unstick?
Camurai for the unstick.
I'm tapping out. My weapon came off.
Oh, okay. Even better. All right. Fair enough.
Looks like it's a tap
Hey,
out.
hey,
The
make
winner
sure-
is Camurai.
Make sure anybody standing knows there's more chairs if anybody wants it.
All right, time. 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! Camurai at the pin. HoriVertzical using its verticalized weapon to get itself out from the pin and the knifing action of Camurai. Oh! And the forks from, that's a tap out. The forks from Camurai is toast. Your winner is HoriVertzical. All right, time. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Camurai trying to do the little, trying to stab that gold wheelie,
Is he stuck
but
already?
it got itself stuck.
Do you need
Looks
Want
like it
an
might be the unstick.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh, and a fork has come off. Looks like the unstick may have worked, but it had some flaws.
Oh no, do you need your unstick?
Do you need your unstick?
That one needs the unstick.
Stop the car.
All right,
You gotta call for it because he's gonna have
Forky Bot or Camurai for the unstick.
There's a thing up there if you need it. Alright, so
Because he's about to help him out.
He's finna unstick you.
he's like, I'll do it. Did the last one.
You may not have a fork once you unstick.
Oh no!
And that's a tap out. The winner is the gold Ouioui.
Oh, that was unfortunate.
Oh.
Looks like the unstick plan backfired.